Alright, so in this video we'll be discussing how to create a subscription type of a funnel, basically where you can collect recurring payments from your customers. So any type of sales funnels that we've created previously to this video, you can actually make it a subscription as well by just having the product to be a recurring payment every week, month, year, however you want to structurize the payments. But in this videos particularly, we'll be looking into some of the specific sales subscription type of funnels, and we'll be looking into that as well. Look into a pricing plan type of page as well, where people can actually select a different subscription plan. So yeah, we'll be looking into those type of things, creating a recurring product and doing some upsells as well. So what is the whole process? Again, just a normal sales funnel. We'll be also, like I said, looking into a plan select type of a page as well, checkout, upsell and downsell, and a thank you page where they can take another action as well. So let's go inside the system and let's build our first subscription type of a funnel. Again, for example, in this previous funnel that we created for multi-products, you can make any of the payments not to be one time, but a subscription, and basically create a subscription type of a funnel, a product that is a subscription. But let's create a new funnel for our example. And when you create, and we have a different types of, as you know, different types of designs. And this is a subscription funnel with pricing plans. This is a subscription product, subscription funnel with one product. So we'll be looking into those two. So let's start with the pricing plans. So let's go with subscription funnel with plans and add the funnel to our list. So it comes with a landing page, which you can obviously fully modify for your product and service, whatever that is. So you can add some videos, ratings, catchy headlines, you know, the rest, and how to make it, I hope already, a compelling page for your visitors. The benefits of the product or service, features about it, video sections, if it's some kind of a course, or maybe even a SaaS. You can show the product, the video courses, some kind of a sneak peek preview, and again, really quick get started button everywhere. Product, features, obviously this image you have to replace with something relevant to your business, and you can add different services, again, different blocks for services, listing some of the features, you know, however you want to present the features of the service, testimonials as well, and finishing strong with another call to action. So yeah, have a lot of call to actions throughout your page so that people can easily go to the next step where they can, in this case, select the plan. So fully modify it, then go to the next page, which is the pricing, is the plan selection. So you have this page that you can again fully modify. You can set up your pricing, you can modify it, plan name, you can even add some images if you wish to make it more fun, and you can list the features. You can have them in the center if you wish, if you don't like this layout, and remove the dots. So you can list all these features that you want your customers to focus on that specific product, benefits, features, whatever, and have a subscribe or, you know, pick a plan button that will actually, again, how we do it, we'll have to link it to one of your products that you have created. And now we will be creating this type of a recurring product. Like in this case, we have some bonus features, so that things that will push people to select the higher plan. So you can play around with the different pricing plans. But 14-day money back guarantee, it's kind of a must in this type of a scenario. Live chat, maybe if you provide secure checkout, and frequently asked questions that you can also add. For example, what happens if they want to cancel? How do they cancel? The refund, stuff like that a lot of people usually ask. So you can answer those most asked questions in this area as well. So how do we create our first recurring subscription? So you go to store and you go to products. There you can click on add a product, and you can select any of the 4 different types of products. For each one of those, you can make them a recurring payment. For example, this can be used for subscription, like every month, for example, which is the most used case. Or you can also do it on installments. Let's say that you're selling a product that they have to pay instead of once, maybe 3 times for $50 instead of $150. This way, every week or every month or however, what is the cycle is, they can pay that amount only X amount of times. But for this example, let's just start with a service or membership. Again, it doesn't matter which one you select. Let's do with membership. For the membership, obviously, when they do a subscription, when they pay, they'll get access for as long as they're a subscriber. If it is a service, you can just give them access to nothing, but they are paying for a specific service that you might be providing offline or however you want to manage your subscription in general. So you can add some name to it, let's say subscription, select some kind of a membership group just for the sake of the example, and you can set up a price. So this price is what you'll be charging on every installment, you can say. So let's say $20. And how do you make this a subscription? So you click on this subscription product, and basically here you select on what kind of a cycle you want to charge them, how many times basically. If it is a normal subscription for as long as the user wants to pay, you just leave it as ongoing payment. If you want to make it like 3 installments, so 3 payments by X amount of money, you just make it 3 payments. But yeah, for this example, we'll make it a 1 every month and ongoing. So for years to come, or for however they want to be subscribed, they'll be charged every month. So you can select here the cycle every how many months or weeks. So if you want to do it yearly, you can make it 12 months. So they'll be charged every 12 months. So yeah, this is the monthly subscription, and it's going to be for $20 for a membership product in this case. But again, if it's a service, if it's a physical product, it doesn't matter. You can make any of them to be a subscription. Just selecting a category, and just like that, our product is created. And as you can see, it's membership at the bottom. So now, how do we start selling this product that we just created? You just go to your pricing page again, the plan page, and to this button, you just link the product that we just created. Just go to the link, click on store, and select the product, which is subscription. And all you have to do is either add to cart and go to the next step, or just buy now. Click on select and save changes. So you have to do that for this and this plan as well. If you have 3 plans, of course, you can leave 2 plans or just leave it as 1. How many plans you want to have. And yeah, that's about it. After that, you go to the checkout, where person would be paying for their subscription. So in this case, because we have 3 different plans and we don't know which one they will be selecting, so we'll select the option to be not a product select, not a predefined product, but a cart checkout. So whatever product is being added to the cart, basically when they click on the button, they'll go directly here and they can subscribe to that plan. Click on save changes, and that's it. Our funnel is ready to go. And then of course we have the thank you page. Thank you for your subscription. And in this case, we have a call to action. So if it's a membership, you can just link this button to the membership area, where they can get access to their videos and whatever type of information they subscribe for. And here we've added a manage my subscription, a link to their profile where they can cancel their subscription at any point if they desire, and also get access to their membership area too if they have such access. So for the sake of the example, if you're doing a membership, we can link some kind of a page to the membership to where they would go after they get access to it. So just like that, we've added for the basic member a link to landing page. So they'll have this link in their profile as well, so they can get access to that page. But we'll be looking into membership in the next video, where we'll be discussing everything about membership and how to create and sell access to whatever, videos, tutorials, anything that you want to give access to your customers. Alright, so what's left is actually to connect a payment processor, because we currently don't charge, there is no way for us to charge them. And how to do that is going to settings in the store, payments, and as you can see, we don't have any payment provider just added yet. So click on add payment provider, and you can see the different options that you have from payment processors that you can connect to your funnel. In this case, we'll be using Stripe. So we just add Stripe, and we have to add our publishable key and secret key. So let's add those. Alright, so we've added our Stripe keys. Now it's time to start testing our funnel. So how do we do that? So we just preview our funnel, and we can start with the whole process. So we see the page of where we'll be selling, promoting our services, and when they click on the button, they'll go to the plan select. So they can select one of the plans to get started. They can see some questions they might have, and in this case we connected only a product to this one, and when you click on it, you add the product and automatically go to the subscription. So now here, as you can see, they'll see how much they're going to be paying, $20 a month, and here obviously they can add their information. So we can add some name, some email, some password, because when you do a subscription, it always requires to create an account so that they can easily manage their subscription inside their profiles. So we add some information, and this is the test Stripe key that we've added, and by completing an order, that will submit the payment, and it will go directly to our thank you page, where we can take another action, whatever, let's send them to membership area, for example, or they can manage their subscription from this link for later on. Of course, they will receive a link to access their profile as well, and access to their membership area if it is a membership type of a product. If it is any type of different product, obviously they will receive another email for that too. And if they click on manage subscription, they'll get into the subscription. This is the profile of a user, so they can see their subscriptions. As in this case, we have a product which is called subscription in this case for $20, and it's saying when is the next subscription date, which is 30 days from now of this test, which is December 6th. So as they have a membership as well, they can also access it by clicking on this button, and actually would go to the membership tab. And anytime they can cancel their subscription, and they can have as many different subscriptions as they want. If they want, they can subscribe to something else, and they will all be listed here, and they can monitor them from their profiles. From the membership area, they can see access to all the different pages and groups that they actually have access to. In this case, we have access to the page that we selected in our CRM, and they can also see the history of the products that they've bought, the subscription in this case, details about themselves, addresses, and so on. But yeah, the subscription they can manage from here. And again, if they click here, they can go to the next page. Obviously this is a blank one without anything. So when it is a membership type of area, obviously you have to create your membership pages and link to those. But we'll be looking again into that in our next video, which is dedicated on membership, creating membership areas, courses, videos, and so on. Really exciting video. Yeah, this is how simple it is to create a subscription product and how to sell it, and actually how you can actually manage the subscription itself from the profile. And here you can also see some statistics about it. You can see the products, but you can also see in the sales section that you have this new tab, actually not tab but a section, which is about the subscriptions. So when you sell subscriptions in a funnel, you can see all that information here as well. So you can see that you have one active subscriber, how many have cancelled, which is called churn, so how many people have cancelled their subscription, and what is your current MRR, so how much is your monthly recurring revenue from all the people subscribed to your funnel. So really cool and nice statistics that you can check out for your subscribers and subscriptions. And yeah, this is about having different plans. So let's create a new funnel which is about one product, just an example. So we have this again, another funnel meant mainly for a subscription, and let's call it subscription with one product. Basically, it is the same idea as any other sales funnel, but it is in this case about one product. That can be anything. Again, it can be access to something, to videos, to just subscribing for a service that you might be providing even offline, maybe a gym, a membership for a gym, let's say $50, $47 a month. So it can be used for anything. So you can incorporate in any type of a funnel that you have. In this case, we have a headline, some benefits, a video even, and an easy, basically an overview of what they'll be getting after they subscribe to the service. So you can have different sections about the product, testimonials, again another video, and again a call to action. So you can fully modify, of course, any of that the way you want to make sure that the information is relevant. You can split test. Don't forget to split test. I always like to say that. Split test your pages to see what might be working best for your onboarding. And then when they click on the get started, they'll go to a checkout, where it is a simple checkout, again about the product, some testimonials you can add as well, and a way to actually buy the product. In this case, when we have one subscription, one product that they will be getting, you can pre-select the product. So basically pre-select the product that you'll create. In this case, we haven't created any, but again, go to store, yes, go and create a product. Again, digital product, physical service, whatever it is, let's say a service in this case, and again, make it a subscription, recurring, for whatever period you want it to be. And this way, you just link it to the checkout section, so that when somebody selects the product, they will be subscribing to, for that product that you selected. In this case, just we selected a non-recurring payment. And again, a thank you page where the user can go to another page, or to another place, another funnel, maybe another website, to get access to something if they purchase access to something. And this is it. Again, this is just a simple one product subscription with a beautiful landing page where they can learn a lot about what they're purchasing and subscribing. Again, the management of the whole subscription happens in their profile, which they'll get access to via email. But again, you can give them access as well on the thank you page too. Actually, the link to that is when you add a link, for example, here, you can just add it as a member subscription. This is where they actually get access to their membership area. I guess we can add some kind of a pre-selected way to add that, so you don't have to type it in as an external URL every time. But yeah, this is just to be able to manage from here as well. And that's it. This is how simple it is to create a subscription product and a subscription type of a funnel. Again, all the funnels that we already created, they can be transformed to be each of the product to be a recurring payment, a subscription, and from their profiles, all the users can manage everything about the subscriptions, the memberships, and so on. Again, in the next video, very exciting, we'll be discussing about memberships. So how you can create, again, a membership can be one-time payment or recurring, as in this case, with access to some kind of content. You can create a whole areas with dashboards, with access to video tutorials or educational materials of any sort, or whatever type of access you want to give them as, maybe even some kind of a file repository with different links to different files. So very exciting next series. Actually, there will be a few videos there about all these things, because there is a lot of cover about memberships. So I hope that you enjoyed this video about creating subscriptions, how to manage them, and multiple product subscriptions and one product subscriptions. And yeah, talk to you in the next video. And again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate and let us know.